This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So last session we was working on the understanding of pricing controls. So we started with understanding of condition table followed by access sequence followed by condition type followed by pricing procedure, and we are done till the pricing procedure determination. Now what we need to do, we need to calculate the prices now, where we calculate condition record. So pricing controls are the key customizing backend components which are customized by the consultants, which we made. Condition record is the front end user point of view where they will use the pricing controls to calculate the price. And when the sales transaction is executed, the price which you have been calculated, it should respond automatically. That is what we're going to see now. All right. So logistics, sales and distribution, master data. Here we have conditions and select using condition type VK11, VK12, VK13. Click on VK11. Now here, remember, if you might have made anything wrong in pricing controls customizing, you cannot continue here. So be careful. So click on the drop down. You'll see so many conditions. What all the conditions are there in the database? It is showing all. So what is our made? Click on find here. We made by name GRA, enter. It will show Grasim discount condition, Grasim freight condition, and Grasim price. So wherever GRA is described with various ways, it is showing all. So select your made first price, double click on it. It is selected. Now, what is the client preference? On what base the price should come? This is what you need to understand. On what base the price should come? What do you mean by base? The business situation. So click on key combination. See here. So this is our made table. This is system standard table. I shown you all how to make your own table. It is based upon the client given business situation. The system may have the table, or based upon the client given business situation, system may not have that table with that combination of fields, I mean to say. So as a consultant, you should know how to use the system default. As a consultant, you should know how to make a table. So this is what my focus when I was teaching you the table setup initially when we started the pricing controls customizing, right? So you can see, I told you, you can see your made table, also the standard in your list what you configured. This list is shown with two tables. And how this list is coming? Now, condition tables, one, two, three, how many ever you made? Here what? These are the condition tables. And these tables are connected to the condition type with reference to access sequence. I say access sequence play a middleman role, right? It is like a folder in which you accommodate all the tables. And when you connected this access sequence to the condition type, it is sourcing the tables here. That is the logic you need to understand. So how many tables you want to connect to condition type, you need to accommodate all in access sequence. When access sequence got connected to the condition type, when you select the condition type here and click on key combinations, it shows all the tables. That's the outcome of the access sequence involvement. And we have not taken the system default access sequence, which is showing, which may show many wanted, unwanted things kind of. Whatever we want, we made. Whatever we want, we picked up from the database and we made our specified access sequence. So you will not have authorization of customizing the access sequence. I made the authorization activated in the servers so that my trainee get exposure because the latest update is the customized template. Earlier randomly we used to pick up, but now the latest update is the customized template should be presented. This is the customized template which got my made and my preferred only. Okay, so all of your servers have been released the authorization for customizing access sequence, but if any of your servers is not having the authorization, bring it to my notice. I will get it done. Okay, done. So I've selected my table continue. Now here sales organization. Say GRAS distribution channel offline direct. I'll take direct for example, and customer group. If you all remember long back when I was teaching you all the customer creation, customer identity as a is a private customer. So what customer group you maintain in customer master data, take that. You take some customer group randomly here and you maintain some customer group in the customer master data. Even though you calculate the price, that will not respond. See, remember what all the fields you are using here: sales organization, distribution, customer group, material. When you are creating a sales transaction, the transaction should happen in this sales location for this outlet according to this customer background. Understood? So if they are not matching, you will not get the output. This is a very base and important logic. Okay, material. I have two products. You can calculate n number of products prices at a time. There is no limitation. That's the reason when you give material last, you can calculate a number of products prices at a time. So remember and watch me here. In what SQL we have selected the fields, we have maintained the fields in the same SQL it is presenting here. Amount. So this is costing 2499 and this is costing 2399. Just some amount I give. That's all. When I say enter, rest all the fields should get updated automatically. So what is the point here? Grasim 100 not defined for the sales organization GRAS and distribution GM. Okay. Just a minute. Enter. So what organization levels you use, it acts only that. That's what I'm saying. So everything should sync. Now I given the amount and the product. Okay. The currency is coming automatically. First point. Per unit. This price what I am giving, it is understood as per piece, per product. And the calculation type on what base it is selecting? C means quantity. Where you maintain? When you was customizing this condition type, we organize what should be the calculation type. And today is what, 29th. If you're not saying anything, this price is valid for lifetime it takes. Don't do that. And you can edit this field. See here, you can edit this field. Where we made the setup of this field can be editable point of view. If you all remember when we was making the condition table, when I was making the condition table, I had been maintained the with valid period and with release status to be marked as check, so that you can adjust the validity of a product in the front end. So here you can see with valid period makes you to give the validity here. With release status it is for sales cost. See, everything you all got a understanding of setting up every field by field manually. So remember, when you understand every field business process and according to the business purpose, how it can be usable, how it responds, you can meet any requirement of the client. Understand the purpose of the field. That's all. How the client wants, you organize that field. Wanted, activate, unwanted, deactivate. So everything I'm been explained, and whatever I'm been explained, everything I'm showing you now. Now comes everything output now. So you're seeing the complete output of every fields what we organize right from the day one till now of every application. So when you understand the previous happened sessions of customizing, now you can recollect okay how it is executing. Everything is interrelated. So more focused you are, better you'll understand. Otherwise, you may get carried away where we made. So sequentially you should follow. In the middle of the journey, if you are participating, you will be confused. You should be attentive, active in the entire journey. That means you need to pick one recording, keep following, then only you'll get the reference of the previous to current, current to future. All right, done. Now everything is recognized correctly. If I save, it allows you to save. Successfully condition record. So 1 year validity I have given for this price. So GRAD discount. Continue. Done. And here, how much discount you want to give? I say 10%. And here for 5. And I say enter. Sir, we are given 10. No, it is taking 10,000, you may think. Don't consider the values after comma. It is the currency format 10. For example, you want to give 10,000, say 10,000 I give it, enter. So units, tens, hundreds, dot thousands, 10,000s. After comma, it is subdecimals. It is the global currency format. So దీన్ని పట్టించుకోకండి. Okay, don't need to consider this. 10,000 means this. So understand the point. I said 10. Enter. 10% is a discount on this product. 5% is a discount on this product. Here you can see the calculation type is percentage I maintain. I modified the system default for our main. System default was set up for quantity base. I don't want to calculate the discount on a quantity base. I want to calculate the discount on a percentage base. So this discount is valid till when? I say 5th of May. Save it back. Back. Now again I'll go back. GRAF write key combinations. I will select my made continue. GRA so delivery and handling charges I say 200, 200, enter. So again this also adjusts for till the year end. Normally price time and the handling charges time mostly will be the same time because according to the price the handling charges. Okay, calculation type here I given fixed amount. You buy one product, the same delivery handling charges you should pay. You buy two products, the same thing should be paid. That's the scenario kind of. Save. Done. Now everything we have been made. Refresh. Refresh. What all the customizing to be done to execute the core module we have been done. Now the output. Execution of the core module. So logistics, sales and distribution, sales, inquiry, quotation, order, all you can see here VA level inquiry. Now my sales organization, my distribution channel and the division, denim, cotton, so denim. Now remember one point here, please make a note of this, very very important. Lot of trainees commit this mistake. Randomly they see while practicing you might have created multiple sales areas. Customer create చేసుకోవడానికి ఒక సేల్స్ ఏరియా, మెటీరియల్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఒక సేల్స్ ఏరియా, ప్రైజింగ్ కంట్రోల్స్ ఒకటి, డాక్యుమెంట్స్ ఒకటి, ర్యాండమ్గా ఇట్లా తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వదు. जब भी आप कस्टमर क्रिएट करे सो एक सेल्स एरिया लेके मटेरियल को एक ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट को सेल्स डॉक्यूमेंट्स को एक प्राइसिंग कंट्रोल्स को एक जैसा बोलने से वैसा लेने से यहाँ पे एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होगा. रिमेंबर कस्टमर, मटेरियल, sales documents, pricing controls, all should be when maintained to one sales area. Your transaction can be, see, simple logic. You belong to a particular sales area, a material should be for that particular sales area, a document should be usable in that sales area, pricing controls to be connected to that sales area, then only you'll get the price, then only document is usable, then only material is usable, then only the customer is valid. Understand the logic here. Sir, I made a mistake. You all know how to correct it. Make one sales area what you maintain for customer, what you maintain for material, what you maintain for sales document, what you maintain for pricing controls. How to pricing controls? What all the sales areas we made, all we are correcting. You won't be having an issue. Sales documents, we're correcting all sales areas, no issue. Then make material as central point. What sales area you maintain for material, make sure you maintain for customer. And the same connected default here, default here. So very important, I am making you alert what kind of mistake you may make, and I am told the process how to correct it also. So when you are unable to create an order, follow this and solve by yourself. Because I shown you how to add, how to work on customer extension, material extension point of view. Okay, so how will come to know it is correct? See, after giving the sales area, when I click on the drop down, for example, inquiry, it shows a document. So first clarity, this document type GRA1 is connected to the sales area. Okay, continue. Now click on the drop down. The customer, what we made long back, GRA1. So this is your customer ID 7007301. Mr. Ravi belong to so and so place, and this is the search term, and this is the account group what we use. Double click on the line, the customer ID will be selected. Material for what we have calculated the price now, GRAS 100, order quantity 1, that is inquiry. So what is happening here? A customer is coming for inquiry. Who? Mr. Ravi. Selected the document type inquiry. Where is coming? He is coming at a sales area. Okay. Now it is not bringing it to the sales. It is directly coming to item overview. When we was customizing the sales document type, there was two options. Display range. Press enter to go to item overview. Press enter to go to general screen. General screen means first view, item overview. UER1, UER2. If you maintain UER1, it will come here. If you maintain UER2, it will come here. So for inquiry, I marked UER2. It is bringing to directly product and quantity. Manual, I will go to UER1. See, it was this customer was created for GRAS GF 2G, not the online store. Offline store I made. So it is getting redetermined. So for what sales area you maintain, the customer and material, pick only that. Now you can see pricing is missing. Mandatory condition is missing. Yes, my customer was for offline store. My material was for offline store. I have calculated the price for online store. System will not read. So how to solve it? You need to solve it. How? We'll close this for time being. We'll go back to condition record again. VK11. Select the same conditions one after the other, same table. Instead of GO, now you take GF. See, everything should be represented correctly, everything should be declared correctly, then only it will respond. Online store also, for offline store also, I'm calculating now. Okay, so GF was not maintained for here. Okay, so these kind of issues come. So how to figure out now? First, we'll go to customer master data VD02. This customer ID, if I click on customer sales area, watch me here, he is maintained for offline store 2G, 3G through divisions. Okay, that is clear. Now I go to material master data MM02, right? Click on organization levels. This product is maintained in this plant, clear. Storage location maintained, clear. Sales organization, see here. This product is maintained for offline store and online store. Okay, let me check second product. Plant, okay, storage location, okay. Now sales organization. It is maintained for only on online, not for offline. That's the reason it was not recognizing in the condition record. So what I'll do, I'll maintain this product also for offline now. I'll extend this product also for offline. So MM01, and here I say Rasim-101. I shown you this process earlier. Since we need one more extension, I'm doing that also. So that when you're practicing, if you get such how to figure out, you will get a clarity. Everything is there. You need to remember and understand. Yes, it is extended now. Continue, 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 continue. Say yes. Done. Now I'll come to VK11. Sorry, VK11. One by one, we'll start calculating the price for offline store also. Save it. GRAD discount. Online, I'm giving 5% discount for both. Sorry, store, I'm giving 5% discount for both. I'm just deleting the row since I given in a wrong column. So discount is valid for short time, not for lifetime, right? Leave it. GRA. Continue. Valid till this year end. Done. Now, if I go and create an inquiry, everything should respond correctly. Let's see. So my document type sales area offline store 2G, okay. Customer ID just now, okay. Now here BAJ, sorry, GRAS 100 quantity as one. When I say enter, everything should reflect automatically. Come to sales log one here. Ravi is the customer, but the shipping will be sent to Raju of Chennai. What was the scenario? Long back when I was teaching you customer master data, if the customer is having different shipping preference, we maintain that scenario. See, I mean, I said when you are creating a sales transactions front end, while the shipping address to picked up, it picks up Raju. That's the first outcome. And Grasim denim product for retail sales. It is not giving you the material description. It is giving you the description what this product mean to the customer, purchase manager of Shopper Stop All India. So output of info record you're seeing here. So when I entered Mr. Ravi as the customer and given the product, it is giving what this product mean to Mr. Ravi. When this information is shown in the sales transaction here, whomsoever user of Grasim is doing this transaction, they will come to know, okay, Mr. Ravi is a customer as a purchase manager of All India. Let us make a good deal. So how info record triggers in the front end, you understood now. Since we mapped, it is representing here automatically. So you should develop a competency in you in speaking. See, interviewer ask you, do you know how to work on sales transaction? Yes, I know. I worked. How you was been made? Then you tell these scenarios. These are not defaults. These are not defaults in the SAP system. We customized while we were working on customer master data as a scenario, while working on info record as a scenario, pricing controls as a scenario, material master as a scenario. At every topic, I taught you the scenarios, and all you are seeing the output now. So if you are unable to remember the previous sessions what you practiced, then you cannot remember what is. Because I see people, they are just picking the recording, blindly practicing, but they are not remembering what they made previously. Then how you will? So every topic, purpose, process, practice, make a note. And when you are seeing all topics execution, the sales transaction, go and check what you made, how it is working. I'm speaking what I thought previously, comparing, I mean, connecting that I'm showing here. Likewise, what you practiced previously, comparing that, you should remember here. Then only you will get a clarity. Okay, fine. So your customer details, your product details were given, everything was representing automatically. What is item category for inquiry AFN? We have activated, that's the reason it is presenting. Price 2479.5. Sir, we are given 2499. Now, how why this is coming like this? I'll show you. Select the line here, item conditions. Okay, so here you will see many. Do not bother about anything. What we made, only they are active. First one. So GRAP price 2399 are given, and on which GRAD 5%. So 2399 less 5%, 11995. So it is coming to 2279.5 paisa, on which 200 added as delivery and handling charges. So this is, see, can you see here? This is with red mark. This is with red mark. So with release status, when you uncheck, it is internal. Cost will calculate, internal calculation, accounting point of view. Gross price will calculate, inventory point of view. So that's the reason they are presenting in the index, but with a red mark, not for our reference. Then you may think, what is this AZWR, then SKTO? They are not for us, they are finance point of view. Though they are in active mode, but they have nothing, zero, zero. And it will not ask also, because they are not made by me. They are not for our module. They are for the financial settlement. So ignore them. So our condition types, what we made, using them, we calculated the value. Finally, some amount you got. Base minus something plus something is equal to some amount, right? So the break even, where you can see here, if you click on partners, it will show sold party as Ravi, billed party as Venu, payer as Kiran, ship to as Raju. As how we maintain. If you click on text, the text what we tag to a product, it is showing here. So wherever you take the product reference, it will show the text. Like this, every view got some other information. Schedule lines. Today is 29th. Order quantity is 1. Rounding quantity is 1. Confirmed is, because 80 inquiry schedule lines, whatever you ask, it said it's yes, it's available, come down. Right? So everything will respond as how you organize. Sir, how I'll come to know is all correct. Finally, after you fill in all the details, click on edit on the top and select incompletion log. When you select incompletion log here, if any information is not set, it will show that as missing. If everything is correctly organized, it will show document as complete. So successfully, all our customized inputs are sourced, recognized correctly, then only successfully my inquiry can be complete. My inquiry is complete here, I mean to say. So when you people are practicing, you may stuck up in many points. Don't get demotivated or confused. Simple. Understand what is missing, go and fix it up. Okay, see, this is the application where you are executing everything right from the day one what we made here. So there is a bright chance of committing mistakes. There is a bright chance of showing mistakes, errors, etc. Okay, if I am getting an error means there is no logic. You are getting an error means yes. While practicing you might have committed a mistake. సో ఏదైనా మిస్సింగ్ వస్తే అది ఫిగర్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అది మీరు కమిట్ చేసిన మిస్టేక్ కావచ్చు, సిస్టమ్ ఎర్రర్ కావచ్చు. ఓకే, సో వెన్ యూ గెట్ సమ్ మిస్సింగ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, ట్రై టు ఫిగర్ అవుట్. If it is out of your reach, bring it to my notice. I see some people blindly they come to me without doing any groundwork. Today I'm there, tomorrow, one day or other day you should organize on your own skill set, right? It is showing the error of customer, so go and check in customer master data what you made wrong. If it is showing material related, go and check over there. See, when you solve an issue on your own, the kind of confidence what you build, what you feel, you yourself can experience it. How much time it takes for me to tell? Hardly 2 minutes. But how much time I'm convincing you to do by yourself? More than 5 minutes. So which one is most tough for me? To make you understand is tough. Doing is how you got error, I'll do it fine. My job is easy. But again, what is your understanding? Sir, I'm still stuck up. Go to that topic, follow that recording and see what you made. If it is organization related, go to the topic, see what you maintained there, and hear what you're maintaining. Patience and dedication is very much important. Because why I'm telling all this now is output sessions now. But all we made it is coming to executions. Hereafter, topic by topic, scenario by scenario, we'll customize, we'll out execute, customize, execute. Because the layout is ready. So what kind of mistakes you may commit, I'm been told, telling you how to figure out also, I'm telling you, try to work on it. Okay, fine, I'll save it now. Successfully inquiry has been saved. See, after document is complete, when you get a message, then only you need to save. If you save the incomplete document, it cannot be referred next level. మీరు ఏదైనా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తక్కువ ఇచ్చారంటే అది ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ అవుతుందా అవ్వదు. जब भी आप कोई कुछ चीज़ खरीदने के वास्ते गए, जब आपका डिटेल्स आप देना है बराबर, आपका डिटेल्स आप बराबर नहीं देने से वो ट्रांजैक्शन आगे बढ़ेगा क्या? नहीं बढ़ेगा. So same logic is applicable here. Document is complete means for this inquiry what all the information required, it is organized, so successfully it is getting saved. Okay, done. Now quotation VA21, drop down. So for this sales area, is the quotation got connected or not? Yes, connected. Now here, if you all remember, long back when I was teaching you all the sales document customizing, with reference to inquiry, there was a field reference. I maintained blank. I said after we go to the front end screen, we can create a quotation directly, or we can create a quotation with reference to inquiry. And I said we'll be seeing lively there. So you want to create a quotation, just enter. Again, you give the sold to party material like how we made inquiry. Direct. No, I want to create a quotation with reference to inquiry. Create with reference. What is your inquiry number? Drop down. Enter. Here the sales org, I mean, and the sold party is shown here. Okay. Continue. So this is a customer ID. This is the partner ID. This is the sold party, and this is a document, and this is all. GRA1, and this is sales area. Double click on it. Copy. So if you made everything correctly, it will copy first part. And if it is sales document is not customized properly, or the sales area is not connected properly, anything is not organized, you will not be able to copy the content of inquiry to quotation. So everything is made correctly, so it is connected here. AGN for quotation. Rest all is same. Now if I save it, you can see, would you like to save or edit incomplete document? I'll say edit. Oh, something is missing here. Okay, edit. See, It is showing these many. Plant got an issue, loading, material availability, transportation, goods issue. This many it is showing. So we should not get this many. Only one it should get. Why this is all getting? We need to check now. Okay. So normally we'll get only shipping point one. Others we will not get, but it is giving them. So just we'll leave for now. Let the server get refreshed, and we'll check again tomorrow the quotation. And why if still coming, then we'll check where it is gone mistake. Okay. So just go through and understand how we might have made inquiry. I mean how we made inquiry. And I'm not saving this. We'll see this quotation in tomorrow session lively. With reference to inquiry, we'll see and we'll sort out that why those issues are coming, missing steps are coming. Okay. Sometimes even though we made everything correctly, it may not. So leave for one some time. Let the server get refreshed. Then again we'll see. All right. So thank you all. I'll share this recording in some time. Go through it and work on it.